Let's understand what it means to say a function has no minimum. Imagine f of x is just equal to x, and the domain, the set of allowed inputs, is 0 is less than x less than positive infinity. We want to understand specifically the 0 less than x part. Now recall that f of x is the same as writing y. So we can say y equals x, because f of x is equal to y, remember. With that in place, the rest of this we will do graphically to make sure we really understand what this is saying. So here's our graph. Now look, when x is the value 0.5, and this is a graph of the function y equals x, or f of x equals x, when x equals 0.5, then y is equal to 0.5. So notice the following. When 0.5 goes in, look at the blue line. Then you go across the graph, and 0.5 is what comes out on the vertical axis. Look very carefully, right? Follow the blue arrows. Okay, then you continue. So imagine now we have this graph. This is the same graph, but it's zoomed in over a smaller window. So look very carefully like at this, and then also this. So look carefully. When x is 0.1, then y is also 0.1, because remember, y and x are equal in value. So 0.1 goes in, 0.1 comes out on a vertical. Let's do it one more time. Same graph, but zoomed in over a tighter window still, right? Look on the horizontal and the vertical axis in the numbers. So when x is 0.005, then y is also 0.005, because they're equal in value. Remember, we said y was equal to x, f of x was equal to x. So when 0.005 goes in, 0.005 comes out on the vertical axis. So now let's look at it one more time. I've zoomed in, and now look. When x approaches 0 from that direction, following the direction of the blue arrow, then points on the graph move that way, following the slanted arrow, but that means that the y-coordinates are moving straight down towards 0. And notice that at 0 itself, there's a hole. So if you say that, for example, the lowest y-coordinate is this, 0.00001, then somebody could say, no, there's another one that's like 0.00001. That one is smaller than 0.00001. In other words, look at it this way. If somebody says that's the lowest y-coordinate where the black mark is, then you can say, no, I can show you that one. But then somebody says, no, that's that one. Then you can say, no, then it's this one. Somebody says it's this one, then you can say, no, it's this one. And then you can continue this forever towards y equals 0 without ever stopping. So in other words, it's telling you that you can get ever closer to 0 without reaching it. So if somebody says 0.0000001, then you can always divide that by 100 and get a smaller y-coordinate. And you can divide that by 1,000,000 and get a smaller y-coordinate. You can divide that by 1,000,000, billion, trillion and get a smaller y-coordinate. You see? There isn't the smallest y-coordinate. In other words, we would conclude this by saying the following, that there is no minimum. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and check out my other videos. I'm Tom.